In this video, we're going to solve problem in circle. So the problem is, write the equation of the circle with radius 3 and center 6, 0. So the standard form of a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. So our h here is equal to 6 and our k is equal to 0. And our r here is 3. So let's just plug what is known. X minus 6 quantity squared plus y minus 0 quantity squared is equal to 3 squared. So we're going to simplify this one. This would be equal to x minus 6 quantity squared y minus 0, that is equal to y squared, is equal to 3 squared, that is equal to 9. So that's it.